Alright guys, so you just literally see me jack up the car now. But as you can see, the Integra comes with some not so good looking side skirts from factory. This little black thing right here, yeah, it's clean, but we got something better. And it pairs up perfectly with this brand new lip I have as well, so I needed to get it. It wasn't going to work with this OEM factory side skirt. Don't worry, because I'm going to show you literally how to do it step by step. It's super easy, so trust me, we're going to get this done together in one video. Well, right here are the new side skirts we actually bought. These are the PCI. These are 4-inch side skirts, right? And look how beautiful they look. It comes with all the hardware that you need. It's super simple. All you gotta do is a couple holes right here. This is on the driver's side. I took off the factory side skirt, but I'll show you how to do that real quick. All you gotta do is there's tabs right here that look like this. So if this is the body of the car, it'll be literally inside the body like that, right? And then the side skirt, which is right here, the OEM side skirt, as you can see, they have little grooves in them for this to slide in. So it'll look something like this, right? Slides in just like that and latches on. So all you got to do is look around your side skirts. Like for example, there might be one right here in the front. Some have them, some don't, and possibly in the back. Underneath as well, as you can see here underneath the car, you also do have the little rivets that actually hold this on right here. And then after you have all of them popped off, the simplest thing you have to do is literally just grab the side skirt and push it forward towards the front of the car, and it should pop off. Then all you're left with is a couple mounting brackets here that is already provided, and some mounting hardware, which is very nice actually. But this is a super simple install. As you can see, one hole there, and then another hole here, and another one here. That's all you're gonna need to mount this on to your car. You're gonna have to smoke some holes, so get that drill ready. You're gonna be smoking the holes on this little lip right here in the bottom of where your side skirt used to be, because that's where the brackets mount onto, and then you can adjust it left and right until you get the perfect fitment. All right, so this is the back of the side skirt, and this is the front. See where it says the PCI, or it has the PCI logo like engraved? That's the front. So the back of the side skirt, as you can see, the orientation is, you see where the cutouts are at on the top? See the cutouts, right? So the back of the side skirts, this is how it's supposed to be orientated. You see how the flap is actually upward, and the front, this is the hardware you're going to use, the nice one that is color matched, right? The other silver ones, those are for these two little holes up here. But make sure that this is up and it's not like upside down like this. This is wrong. This is correct. So do it like this. So all you got to do is put this on your car and then mark the little holes right here on that little shelf on your car. And then that's where you're going to drill the holes in, and then that's how you're going to adjust left and right and have that little play, because you have a little play of here of going up and down as well. See, so you have all the customization that you could use and need. And obviously if you need to, you could bend the tabs to have this side skirt as straight as possible. So they also recommend you do that. It's that simple. So let's get to it. All right, so now that you smoked some holes in the car, right? See, as you see where the brackets are at, one there and then the last one down there. Now all you gotta do is put the side skirt on after you put the hardware in, and then from there just adjust it and then tighten it down to your liking. Sometimes your PCI might not sit flush because it's hitting the fender here. So all you gotta do is cut a little bit of the PCI side skirt right here in the front of the car, and then it should sit perfectly flush. This is what I'm talking about. This right here might not let it go into the body flush. So all you got to do is literally cut just a little bit off here and possibly a little bit off here like that, like make a little L shape, and then it should sit flush against this if it doesn't sit flush against it already. All right, boys, so we have one side done finally here. Look at that, bro. Come on now, you can't tell me this doesn't look good, bro. Look at that. Look at the fitment. Sheesh. I didn't even have to cut this, surprisingly, but I mean, if this bothers you, this little bit right here, remember this fell off the dyno, so this fender right here is cracked. So you know the fitment is not going to be on point. Like, it has a huge dent right here, but I'm pretty sure if the fender was not damaged, it would sit perfectly. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look, let me give you a nice full view of the whole car. Look at that. Oh man. All right, I'm looking a little crazy, but now I'm going to do the other side, and then I'm going to put it on the ground and show you the final product. All right, BRB. All right, so right there, as you can see, that was a quick little edit of the new side skirts. I'm telling you, bro, get these side skirts. If you have an Integra or any Honda, get these side skirts because they literally dramatically change the look of your car. Like, this car actually looks like a race car now, even though it's not a race car, it's a street car. But anyways, it looks great. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Catch you guys in the next one.